Hello, in this tutorial we're going to learn about how to create a one-line text box in HTML. Let's take a look at what a one-line text box is. Okay, so inside here on your screen, you can see here this is a text box, this is another, and this is another one. Now this is a one-line text box because you can only enter one line text here. Okay, you can have paragraphs inside. The same way applies here. You can have a single line going on and on and on, but you can have paragraphs. Unlike this is a multi-line text box where you can enter multiple lines. You can have paragraphs inside. You can even expand it. You can see that. Good. So in this video we're going to learn how to create a single line text box just like those you are seeing on screen. Enough of the talking, let's go ahead and implement the code. So inside here I have my bare bones of my HTML document, and inside it we have our opening and our closing of body. Please go inside the body tag, the opening and closing, and then we need to enter some text. Okay, so but before that let's enter our heading. So heading 3 like this, and then let's put example of a one-line field or box. Okay, like this. Now let's come down, and then we need to enter our form tag. Okay, so less than form, and then we close it, then we open it up. Now inside the opening and closing of form, this is where we're going to be entering our text boxes. Okay, because text boxes are like forms. Okay, user fill in and then submit, so that is a form. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter our one-line text box. We have multiple of them. Okay, there are many. Okay, but in this video we're only going to look at 2. So less than, and then we put input type equal to. Now inside here you need to put text. Okay, and then we close it like this. Now this is an input type field box which is text. Okay, so let's go back to our browser and then reload. You can see example of a one-line text box, and here is it. User can enter text inside and can also enter numbers. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and look at another one-line text box input type. So we'll go back to our code editor, and then we need to come down, and then we put input type like this equal to, and then inside here you can put number. Okay, so we put number like this, and then we need to close it up. So this type of input type only accepts numbers. Okay, so we go to our browser and reload, and you can only enter numbers here. Okay, numbers. So this is another input type which is a one-line text box. Okay, so that is it. That's how you enter or you create a single line text box in HTML. This kind of boxes only accept a single line. Okay, you can put paragraphs there. So that is it. I hope this lecture has been informative. I'll see you in my next lecture where I'll be talking about multiple line text box. See you there.